Welcome to Top Tech. Today, we'll take a look at the most popular and efficient wood saws in the woodworking industry. Let's explore their features and applications in this video. The Logset 8H GTE Hybrid Harvester is a cutting-edge marvel in timber harvesting, blending advanced hybrid technology with high performance and eco-friendly benefits. Combining a diesel engine with electric power, this innovative machine not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly reduces fuel consumption, making it a greener choice for the industry. Its sophisticated control technology and comfortable cabin ensure that operators can work efficiently and enjoy a high level of comfort. The Logset 8H GTE is more than just a harvester. It's a forward-thinking solution that balances top-notch performance with environmental responsibility, revolutionizing the way we approach forestry tasks. The Komatsu XT445L3 Feller Buncher is a formidable force designed to maximize tree felling efficiency in any working condition. With its robust and versatile cutting arm, this machine deftly handles large trees, ensuring a swift and effective harvesting process. The XT445L3 excels not only in power, but also in durability, built to withstand the rigors of demanding environments. Its design optimizes working hours and minimizes operational costs, making it a reliable and economical choice for forestry professionals. Whether navigating dense forests or tackling challenging tasks, the Komatsu XT445L3 delivers exceptional performance, proving itself as an invaluable asset in the field. The Peterson 47110D horizontal grinder is a powerhouse designed for efficiently turning large wood materials into fine chips. Its robust engine and effective grinding capabilities make it an ideal choice for optimizing recycling and material processing while minimizing waste. Built to endure and perform with high efficiency, the Peterson 47110D excels in continuous operation, making it an indispensable tool in the wood industry. With its impressive durability and performance, this grinder ensures that every job is handled with ease, transforming large logs into valuable, manageable material. The Fekin FTX 300 mulching tractor is a formidable machine designed for clearing and rejuvenating forested areas with ease. Equipped with a powerful mulching blade, it rapidly transforms trees and underbrush into fine mulch, fostering new growth and improving soil health. Its robust construction ensures durability and high performance, even during extended use. With its ability to efficiently handle heavy-duty tasks and continuous operation, the Fekin FTX 300 is an essential tool for effective forest management and maintenance, making it a reliable partner in enhancing and sustaining woodland environments. The Vermeer HG6000TX horizontal grinder is a powerhouse in the realm of wood processing, designed to handle large volumes of material with speed and efficiency. With its high-capacity engine and advanced design, this machine transforms bulky logs into fine wood chips with impressive effectiveness. Its robust construction and cutting-edge technology ensure exceptional durability and performance, making it a top choice for both wood producers and recyclers. The HG6000TX's ability to process substantial amounts of material quickly not only boosts productivity, but also supports a range of recycling and manufacturing applications. For professionals in the wood industry, the Vermeer HG6000TX stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for high-demand grinding tasks.